Okay, this is my first time. I rented a bike and got tired of walking everywhere, so I have about 25 minutes. Let's see how far we can go. So there's a station, basically. You pay with a credit card. Oh wow. I still remember how to ride. Uh-oh. So the bike has 3 speeds. So it's $3.99. $3.90 or $3.95 or something. You only have half an hour. And there's $4 penalty. Basically, some very weird rule is that you have to return the bike before 30 minutes. And I'm still trying to figure out if that penalty of $4 is it the same as payment, or is it on top of payment? Like, if you use the bike for 40 minutes, are they going to charge you $3.95 for the first half an hour, $3.95 for the second half an hour, and then $4 penalty? I have no idea. So this is Queens Quay East. Queens Quay East. Lots of beautiful girls around in very short dresses. We have our own signals, bicycle signal. It's probably the first time ever that I have a signal like this. And I set up my alarm clock . I set up my alarm clock for 25 minutes. And today's Sunday. is to ride for 15-20 minutes, and then I'm gonna park the bike and walk back. How much time we got? 6:06. Alarm will sound in 20 minutes. use this. Yeah, basically I saw that the bicycle path pretty much ended over there. So it was some kind of a detour. I think it continues over here. They're probably building it. Yeah, it should, you see, it should go in here. Oh, check this out. Do you guys see that tower? That's a nice view. Alright, I'm gonna return it at the next one. So this is one. Like, these people are nuts, you know. Like, why do you have to drive, like, you know, fast like that, right? Just enjoy the air. Especially since over here there's everywhere you see is lights. Okay, I think we're gonna go here. Alright, how do you lock it? So it's supposed to go in, and then they said make sure the light goes red. Or green, whatever. Yeah, and check this out. Dock your bike, wait for the green light to confirm the bike is properly locked. Penalty for loss, $1,200. That's not a joke, so you want to make sure that it's really locked, you know? Because these bikes are, I don't know, they probably cost like maybe 300 bucks, right? Because these are not like race bikes, right? But they do have 3 gears, so Nexus, and the brakes, and I have this. And some of them have this, actually all of them have that leg, support leg, and they have this for girls that have long skirts. So anyway, so that was my first time with the bike. Oh, and by the way, the way it works, so the way it works, you put in your, you click, you choose how many bikes you want. Let's say 1 bike, and then you enter you insert your credit card, and they ask you for the PIN number on the back of your credit card. And I got trouble because I thought they were asking me for security PIN, like you're supposed to come up with your own PIN. Because I asked the girl that was doing this, I said, how do you unlock them? And she says, you enter the PIN in here. And like, the instructions are not very clear. I thought I make up my own PIN, and instead, so I was entering this made up PIN where they actually were asking me for the security code of my credit card. And I tried this twice, and each time it says error, cannot communicate with the server. So I went to a different one, and then I finally read carefully what it said on the screen, and I saw that they were asking me for the code on the back of the card. I entered that, then my postal code, the zip code, then my phone number, and after that it says, okay, here's your PIN. And actually the thing shows you the PIN. It only contains these digits, 1, 2, or 3. Like mine was 22313. Yeah, it was like a 5-digit code. And then it says remember or print. You click print, prints you a ticket with that code in case you know your old granny. And then you go to any bike that you like, and you punch those numbers, and when the light becomes green, you just pull it out. Now where's the lock in there? Oh, the lock is here. See, it's locked. It's locked right there. This thing goes in, I guess, somehow. So it's locked. Yeah, you see. So that's how it works. The only inconvenient thing is they don't give you that much time, right? But it was interesting. Like $3.95 is nothing Canadian. And now, because it would be too far to walk this way, so now I rode the bike, so now I can walk back to my hotel. And I brought my camera, and hopefully I can find some interesting subjects, you know, for my street photography project. So thanks for watching, take care, enjoy the rest of your weekend.